Cold open. Angular Observables, the unsung heroes of data stream handling. In the world of Angular applications, they're a force to be reckoned with. Tick, tick, tick. Imagine time as a stream of data flowing endlessly. Now, imagine being able to tap into that stream to pick out the data you need when you need it. That's the power of Angular Observables. These are no ordinary data handlers. They're built for the asynchronous, perfect for managing events, HTTP requests, and more. They're the lifeline in the chaos of data, providing a clear, efficient path to the information you need. But it's not just about management, it's about manipulation too. Angular Observables allow you to shape your data in a declarative, composable manner. It's like molding clay, shaping it to fit your needs. The result? A boost in responsiveness and scalability, taking your Angular applications to new heights. So, next time you dive into the world of Angular, remember the power of Observables, your secret weapon for handling asynchronous data streams. Output,